The Zonesun ZS-AFCL13 is a fully automatic monoblock machine designed for efficient production of single-dose strip ampoules. It integrates automatic product feeding, high-precision ceramic pump filling, ultrasonic sealing, cutting, and multi-label application into one compact system. Ideal for pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, veterinary, and healthcare products, it delivers excellent filling accuracy, plus or minus 0.05 G, reliable seals, and high productivity while minimizing manual labor and production space requirements. This machine is an ideal solution for packaging oral liquids, cosmetic serums, sample products, and other unit dose formulations.